Good morning. So welcome to Wednesday. And this week we are talking all about YouTubing, and I'm answering some of the frequently asked questions that people have about YouTubing. If you want to see all the videos about YouTubing, look for the ones with the yellow background. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and follow. But before we jump into the question of today, which is it too late to become a YouTuber? I want to tell you about two big exciting things that are happening. So I just got an email this morning, and YouTube is actually going to start using handles. Can you believe it? So what does this mean? It means that you will actually be able to @ someone and they will be notified that they have been tagged. At least that's the way it's described in the email. So my assumption is that this is how it's going to be used. Of course, until they actually roll it out completely, we won't know for sure, but that is supposed to be done being rolled out by November the 14th. Birthday present for me. For those of you who don't know, this is clapping in sign language. So yeah, handles on YouTube, major announcement, super excited. If you didn't know, now you do. Second major announcement when it comes to YouTube is that I am actually going to be doing a free webinar all about how to use TikTok and YouTube together to get more followers on your YouTube account. So if you want to come to that webinar, DM me, or you can go to myscheduledbiz.com/TikTok, TikTok. Okay. All right. So two major announcements about YouTube. Now it's time to jump to our question for the day. If you missed the one we did on Monday, go back and watch it because you want to make sure you know all about YouTube if it's something you're planning on doing for your brand. And the question for today is it too late to become a YouTuber? And the answer to that is a resounding no. You still have plenty of time to become a YouTuber if that is something that you want to do for your business. There are plenty of people who are still growing accounts right now. I am one of them. So it is not too late. You did not miss the boat. Unlike some other social media platforms where now it's a lot harder, YouTube is still completely open for anyone to come in and take what is theirs. Second reason I say it is not too late to become a YouTuber is because you have the power to generate revenue off of YouTube with your own products or services. So if this question is it too late to become a YouTuber and make tons of money from YouTube? I don't know the answer to that. But what I can tell you is YouTube is an excellent place to generate traffic if you're going to make your own sales. Third reason why it is not too late to become a YouTuber is because people are still using YouTube. YouTube is still evolving with the announcement I just told you. How can you question that? And they are continuing to grow and people are growing with them, especially with platforms like Shorts. Now they're going to have handles. All of these things are telling you that it is not too late to become a YouTuber. So if using YouTube as a traffic source, which is something I highly, highly recommend, is something that you would like to do for your business, I recommend you come and join me on that webinar. It is MyScheduledBiz, just like my handle, wherever you see it, .com/TikTok. You can actually also go to /YouTube if you like YouTube better for some reason. They will both take you to the same place. So I am super excited about this new announcement from YouTube. I hope that you have considered using YouTube for your business. And if you have any questions, you can always DM me, respond to this video. I would be happy to help you. Don't forget to watch every single day when I go live on TikTok to share with you answers to frequently asked questions that regard you and your business. If you have missed any of the videos, or if you want to see the rest of the videos that are coming the rest of this week about YouTube, look for the yellow background. And don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like. I'll see you guys tomorrow.